Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the brakes on this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Alright guys, just turn the wheel so it's easier to get to the bolts.
There we go.
You got dust caps on there, one on top, one on bottom. And you want to take these slider pins out. And you need a hex socket for that, like an Allen key. We're using a 10, which is not ideal. You need an 11, but we couldn't find an 11, so we're just using what we got.
There's two.
All right. So now you want to remove the caliper. So just remove it. Or you can hang it up here with a bungee. The pads.
Alright.
Now you will need to take off this bracket. This one, what size is that? 22?
21 millimeter.
21, and it's another one on the bottom. My impact gun is not too strong. That's why we had to break it loose first. Alright, that bracket comes off. Now the rotor comes out.
Very easy.
Alright.
I'm going to push the caliper in.
Alright. So he's going to use a C-clamp to compress the caliper. So that way you can fit your new pads on it.
That's it.
I'm just gonna yank out that pad. And just use a wire brush, clean the bracket where the pad is going to be sliding back and forth.
A little bit of grease.
This makes it easier for your rotor to come out next time. We didn't have a problem today, but sometimes they get stuck. Put some grease with the pads are gonna slide. He's putting on that O-ring. Should you put some grease on that? I'm not sure.
I guess you could.
You don't really have to.
It's just to hold the rotor on.
I don't even know. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Instead of having like a screw.
Yeah.
The first time I seen that. These are the old pads. There was nothing left to this one. So that's the difference. We got some meat on this one.
Let me get that back pad. Actually, both of them.
Here you go.
The new ones are definitely a little harder to get in.
And you gotta like clip them in. There you go.
This one, like this.
Just gonna hang it on there.
Slide it like that.
Now you can throw the caliper over the whole thing. Put on just, you gotta clean this slide pins.
Let me get that brake cleaner there.
Okay. So clean them up, grease them up, and put them back in.
Very, very important, these little things. Right.
Put the dust caps back on. Okay. You just gotta put that bracket in the front. The wife is calling.
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
Screwdriver.
There you go. All right, guys, that's how you do brakes on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.